Hi, it's Julie Henricus. You know, ever since I started Your Ladders and, started working towards my mission, my calling of helping artists and writers gain confidence to pursue their creative journey, I've been calling it that, a creative journey. It's not a destination, it's not an endpoint, it's a journey. Well, right now, for a lot of people, that journey's been interrupted. There's a distinct pre-COVID life, and there's a sense that there's going to be a post-COVID life for people. But right now we're in the in-between, especially if you're in the performing arts. We don't know for sure when people are going to be able to gather again, when we're going to be able to have live events. And that causes anxiety and uncertainty for sure. And it also is a sense of tremendous loss. And we need to create some space to grieve that loss. I've been thinking about this and this time we're in now, and I've started to call it the in-between. This time when it's as if we're still on our journeys, but the fog has rolled in and our compasses no longer work. And we're heading towards a place that we know will be there, but it's going to be different than what it was. We don't know how it's going to be different, but we all know it's going to be different, right? And we're not sure how long it's going to take to get us there. And I'm sensing in myself and in other people I talk to some despair and some frustration and some how do we keep moving? I really truly believe that creative energy is healing energy and is important to the world. And I know that we'll all come together at some point. The gathering will happen. But in that in between time, how can we all light our own lights and navigate this in between together? We are all light and we'll be shining and we'll be guiding our way and we'll be exploring new paths in this in between, things that we didn't expect to explore because it's what we have. It's how we do things. Creative energy can't be contained for too long. It needs to be unleashed. So how do you unleash it during these times? On Friday, May 15th, I am going to launch a 21-day challenge. I am calling it the 21-day in-between challenge. And it's to help us all figure out this in-between. The way it's going to work is you'll be signing up on Your Ladders, and I will have a link in bios and down below and everywhere that you can get. And please encourage other people to join because I think together it's going to be a lot more interesting. Starting on the 15th, every morning you're going to get a prompt from me for something to explore that day. And you can do it however you want. You can write, you can take images, you can do a video. However you want to explore that daily prompt is up to you. Every day I will go into my group, Awakening the Muse Within, which is on Facebook, and I will be doing a short video about the prompt. And then the thread of that video can be accountability for how you did and what you did. I will also encourage you to use hashtag and to tag me if you put it in your stories or you have a Instagram post, and I will share it and we will explore it. You can, again, do this however you want. If these prompts are going to help you while navigating this in between. And that's the goal, is to start getting you thinking and dealing with things. I'm a coach. A coach helps you move towards goals and think about the future. And I know that that's an uncertain and difficult thing right now, and I get it. But I also know that creative people are incredibly resourceful and nimble and thoughtful and collaborative and have exciting ways of thinking about the world, and that together we can figure this all out. So please join me for this 21-day challenge. Sign up now. You'll see your first email on the morning of the 15th, and you'll get one for 21 days. And let's get through this together. Let's figure out the in-between together.